Hold on to your virtual drafting tools, folks. Today, Autodesk has been hit with a trifecta of legal headlines. Whether you're an architect, engineer, or just a nerd for 3D design software, you're going to want to hear about what's been shaking up the company behind AutoCAD and Revit on the NASDAQ. First up, Robbins LLP has initiated a class action lawsuit against Autodesk. This suit is on behalf of investors who bought Autodesk securities between June 1st, 2023 and April 16th, 2024. The heart of the lawsuit claims that Autodesk's internal controls were well out of control. According to the complaint, Autodesk didn't properly manage its free cash flow and non-GAAP operating margin practices, leading to some serious financial fumbling. When Autodesk disclosed a late filing notice on April 1st, 2024, the stock price fell by $10.73 or 4.13% to close at $248.71 the next day. Fast forward to April 16, 2024, and they still hadn't wrapped up their Form 10-K. This delay caused the stock to drop an additional $13.32 or 5.83%, plummeting to $204.92 on April 17th, and diving a bit more on April 18th to close at $210.63. Ouch. Not stopping there, Pomerantz LLP is also jumping into the legal ring. Their lawsuit echoes the concerns brought up by Robbins LLP, targeting Autodesk's management and directors for potential securities fraud and other sketchy business practices. Autodesk's inability to file their annual report on time and the subsequent revelations about their internal investigation into free cash flow and operating margin practices led to the stock plunge we already talked about. With a history of recovering billions in damages for victims of corporate misconduct, Pomerantz aims to add Autodesk to their wall of corporate shame. And wait, there's more. Faruqi Faruqi LLP, a national securities law firm, is also investigating claims against Autodesk. They too are highlighting the inadequate internal controls surrounding Autodesk's free cash flow and non-GAAP operating margin practices. Faruqi Faruqi are calling out investors who suffered losses north of $100,000 between June 1st, 2023 and April 16th, 2024 to step forward and perhaps snag the spotlight as the lead plaintiff. With offices scattered across New York, Pennsylvania, California, and Georgia, this firm's no stranger to high-stakes legal battles, having already recovered hundreds of millions for investors. So, what's next for Autodesk? As these legal battles unfold, shareholders might have the chance to recover some of their losses, provided they join the class action circus by the June 24, 2024 deadline. Each law firm handling these cases, Robbins LLP, Pomerantz LLP, and Faruqi, comes with their own hefty credentials and a history of scoring big for their clients. The upshot? While Autodesk might be a titan in the world of 3D design and engineering software, it's clear even giants can stumble. Keep an eye on those court filings and maybe, just maybe, think twice before hitting that buy button on ADSK stocks until the dust settles. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.